This is a used Walmart t-shirt I found at a thrift shop. Looks super cute. I like V-neck. I think I'm gonna make some V-neck. I'm gonna fold it in half. Alright, well this is the folded t-shirt. I'm gonna keep this real simple. Go with the mermaid all on one side. And we'll try the ultraviolet. Just a little bit of this orchid. I don't know if I want that orchid there. Alright, this is the V-neck Walmart. 2 colors. Ultraviolet and mermaid green. On the back how I did one side with the green and the other side with the purple, but when you flip it over it blends better. As long as you fold it to the center you'll get a more even. See how it evened out a little bit? Still get a little more green on one side, a little more purple on the other, but it evens out. There's the final. It looks pretty cool. 2 colors.